G'day, my name's Michael, and I'm from My Lead Engineer. Are you a tradie, fabricator, boilermaker or builder who comes across design in your workplace? It might be that mysterious truck body that someone built, a frame or lifting device that was knocked together, but no one really knows what it's capable of, how strong it is, are the welds any good, and how much fatigue it can take. This happens more often than you'd think, perhaps, in the workplace where things are built, but they're not understood in terms of engineering capability. Coming up in the next couple of months, in August, I'll be running a special program for people in the metalworking trade, builders, fabricators, boilermakers, people who build stuff. And I'll run you through how to design, how to manage a design, how to do the engineering and manage it, how to get things certified, and how to deal with that mysterious problem that might be a truck body with a crane on it that was built some time ago, but you're not quite sure where it's from, and it doesn't look quite right, and you want to get it checked. Pretty important stuff. This stuff will be related to the WHS Act, and also there'll be some notes on the Professional Engineers Act. Anyway, it's useful stuff. Keep an eye out on our website, www.myleadengineer.com.au, and come along to our program. It'll be pretty awesome and pretty useful. Catch you later. Thought I'd come out to Wollongong Harbour and chill out for a bit. Got over there the old lighthouse, one of two identical lighthouses, the only two identical lighthouses in the southern hemisphere, and made of iron, riveted together. It's pretty awesome, gets lit up every now and then, particularly for a special occasion. Last time I think it was pink, and the reason it doesn't get used anymore is you'll be able to see up on the hill there, where are we, one of these little things. It might be this one, there you go, that one. That's a new lighthouse that was built in 1933. It's concrete, and you can see it goes over the hill. When they built this one, they didn't think that the light won't go over the hill, and any of the boats and ships and stuff would crash on the rocks and everything, the reef on the other side of that sort of headland. So we have two lighthouses, which is also a unique thing.